Okay, we're gonna have to buckle in for this one. Hey friends, welcome back to Arts and Cast. Today, this evening, whenever time it is, now. I have an art fair coming up in, oh my gosh, I don't even like to think about that. The realization of how close this actually is. I have an art fair coming up in 8 days. And of course, being me, thinking that I can honestly get way more done than I actually can, is like, I can do a whole bunch more coasters. Since these rugs will be pretty small as coasters are, I'm going to do punch needle, which I haven't done in a while. So I thought it'd be kind of cool to bring you guys along and try and get these all done as fast as we can, which is why we're starting this evening when I'm all loopy. But we're still gonna do it. I always gotta procrastinate a little bit before I start, but there really is nothing left but to start. Okay, we're gonna start. I guess I'll just show you quickly how I load this. I'm sure you guys are so interested, but this is a punch needle. Get a best shot. See, that's a punch needle. It has a hole going through the bottom. When you first get the punch needle, it usually comes with like a wire looped thing to stick in the end. I lost that, so I just use a, what? Am I okay? I'm not okay, but so we just use a straw cleaner. A straw, is that what I'm trying to say? Help. Anyway, we take this thing, it's long with the little holy thing, and you go boop de boop. Wait, are you okay? Cause I'm not. This end is what where I was trying to be. Put this guy down all the way through there, see? You see it, it's a wire, it's through there. Anyway, okay, we're gonna start with pink. I think we're gonna do, ooh, different colored cat paws. Cute. We got my flowers, avocados. That's the yin and yang, it's like a yin and yang symbol, but instead of dots, they're hearts. Cute. And then my cat paws. Boop, boop. So I think I'm gonna start with my cat paws because I don't know. There's no rhyme to my madness. I'm gonna start with the little cute beans, beansy beans beans. Pink beansy beans. So distracted with the pink yarn that I completely forgot that I was even showing you. I should not have done this late in the night. There's no one helping this girl. Not me, not anyone. Not this yarn. Okay, we're gonna get through this. You're gonna get through this. Put the metal thing through here. This isn't even the way you do it. It's supposed to have a little metal loopy thing, so you just put the yarn through. I don't have that. We ghetto in this house. We just tie it like this. Really tight in there. And I just pull that back through. Now this is through here, and it's not gonna focus, but there's a hole. You see that? No, no one sees that. No one. Perfect. Yep, that's what we're looking for. Yes, okay. See, there's a hole. So now I take the yarn and I put it back through the hole. No one wanted this. No one needed this tutorial, and it took me that long to get here. 6 minutes. I'm definitely gonna edit this down so you won't know that if I didn't tell you that, but 6 minutes to do this. Anyway, see, now it's loaded. Now we're gonna start. I wanna start with these beans so I can sit down. Can we talk about this angle? Are you kidding? See, I found another way to procrastinate, but good angle, right? We are in agreement on that. I haven't done this in so long. Feels nice to get back to doing this. I'm probably not gonna say that when it takes me an hour to probably finish this tiny little part, but we'll see. We're just gonna get into it. Time for time lapse. Go! Whoa, hey, rude. Okay, I've been slaving away all day on these coasters. We have made really good progress. So I wanted to do a little check-in. I'm always so bad at keeping track of how long this all takes me, but I would say doing all the insides probably has taken me like 5 hours-ish. Yeah, it's taking a long time, but it's gonna be worth it and I'm excited. Also, can we just take a moment to appreciate, like, are you kidding me? This is the only thing that I'm making my rugs in from now on. Okay, we're gonna get to work. As you can see, we are making good progress on the coasters. They are definitely taking longer than expected, as per usual. I'm currently working on these avocado cuties in the back, so we're just gonna push through and finish all of these. I didn't end up shaving in between because I decided that I wanted to keep the looped punch needle look. So I'll just show you how I clean up my punch needle pieces without shaving them to still get a clean line. But we'll get there. I'm getting ahead of myself. I still have a lot of coasters to finish, so we're just gonna push through and do that. Look at these cutie little avocados. They're gonna be so cute when they're finished. We're gonna see how fast we can do this. Minutes for this one cado. 2 more to do and I still have to outline them. I still have a lot of work to do and just under 42 hours to do it, and that does not include sleep. So let's keep going. Another 15 minutes and another shabakadu down. one more to go. Do you see this? We are so close to being done. I am so excited. I just have to finish up the white in these parts and these paws and we are done. We're gonna finish this. It is 6 in the morning and I am so determined to get this done. I am not stopping. We did it. We have finally finished all the coasters. This project has taken way longer than expected. It is currently 7 in the morning. I've worked all day and all night to get this done, but we did it. The final step is we're gonna get the glue on this overnight, so in the morning I can finish these guys off. Let's do it. Okay, all of our coasters are officially done. The backings are on. All we have to do is clean it up and only like 20 of them to do. So I should get going. But I'm also trying out a new backing technique, so I'm gonna take you guys through that. And all I use is my handy dandy glue gun and some scissors. So first I have the backing on, but it's really rough. So I'm going to clean up around the edges, but you want to leave an overhang, so you don't want to get it too close. I just kind of follow the outline. So the goal is to fold the backing around the sides to cover any of the cloth that's in there. I'm gonna try and show you an example. On my old rugs, there's points where you can see the cloth and the cover is just right on the bottom, but we're gonna try and bring the cloth up and around to hide any of it. I feel like it'll just make it look more professional, you know? So to do that, take my glue and right around the sides here, above the cloth, I'm going to do a line all the way around. So as you can see, the sides now are just black and seamless, looking beautiful. I have decided that these punch needle coasters, I'm gonna keep them looped. So I'm not gonna take my shavers, I'm just gonna take my scissors and first just do a clean cut over the whole thing, cleaning up any loose ends. And then I just do a outline to clean up the edges. And then you have this all trimmed up. The next step, I'm going to take my tweezers and clean out all the lines. I'm gonna do that after because I have 18 more of these to do. So that's what we're gonna do first. We did it. The coasters are finally done. I am in such a rush that I am literally 30 minutes away from having to go and set up my art fair. I was up till 3 in the morning finishing these guys off. Sure. But they are finally done. I didn't film the like cleaning up the lines part, but you get the gist. Let's get into how cute these are. First I'm gonna start with the cat paws. I did a black pair. We got a cute lavender pair. A cute pink. Wait, did I show the pink pair? No, I showed the black pair. Pink. And probably my favorite. Look how cute. These are so cute. Everything is looking so clean and smooth and so happy with how these turned out. Then we have the flowers. I did these in mixed colors. So we got the blue pair and the purple pink pair. And then last but not least, my Katos. I didn't have time to clean up the lines on these ones. I think I'm gonna do that at the fair while I'm like not doing anything in between. But they're still cute, you know? I did 2 pairs of these. Oh, gotta clean off some gloves. And yeah, just like that, those are all my coasters done just in time for me to go to this fair. We did it. We did it and I am so excited about it. Thank you guys so much for joining this journey and getting this far. Stay tuned for some other really cool videos coming up on my channel. And once again, until next time, peace.